Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see binomial distribution question bank. See in the previous video we have done a binomial distribution up to third question, that is first question is multiple choice question, second one answer question, 1 mark question, that is very short answer, and then now we are doing here fourth question. In this video we will start with question number 4, which is of 3 marks each. So here first question, a fair coin is tossed 5 times. Find probability that coin shows exactly 3 times head and no head. So how we start with the solution? Listen, solution. So the first question, capital X is a number of heads. Capital X is what? Number of heads. Number of heads. Now n is equal to what? See here, X follows binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to 5, probability p. Now as probability of getting head is equal to 1 by 2, so we can write here 1 by 2. Probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Now we can construct formula. Probability p of x is equal to x, it is given by ncx, matlab 5cx p raised to power x and q raised to power n minus x. This is our formula. What is our n? N is equal to 5, and as probability p is equal to probability of success is 1 by 2, so probability of failure, that is q, is also equal to what? See 1 minus p, and it is equal to 1 by 2 only. यहाँ पे p और q दोनों सेम है, so we can rearrange this formula as, listen, p और q दोनों सेम है, so we are getting p of x is equal to x, and that is equal to 5cx 5cx, we are getting it 5cx p is equal to what? 1 by 2 raised to power x, and q is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2 raised to power n. What is our n? N is equal to 5, so yes students, n is equal to 5, so 5 minus x. Now we can do this. ये क्या कर सकते हैं हम? 1 by 2 raised to power x और 1 by 2 raised to power 5 minus x. So by laws of indices you can write this as 5cx into 1 by 2 raised to power 5 minus x plus x, that is 5 only. So thus we are getting formula here, p of x is equal to, we are getting formula here, p of x is equal to 5cx upon 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 is what? 32. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Now first condition is what? Getting exactly, see the first condition is what? Getting shows exactly 3 times head. That means p of x is equal to what? 3, getting exactly 3 heads. First sub question, that is equal to 5c3 upon 32. Now this 5c3 you can write as 5c2, so which is 5c2 only upon 32. Now this 5c2 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 and divided by 32. Now this is getting cancelled, 2 is getting cancelled here, 2, it will be 10, again this 2 is getting cancelled, so it will be 16. So we are getting it is equal to 5 upon 16. Therefore क्या मिल रहा है आपको? p of x is equal to 3, that is getting exactly 3 heads, will be equal to 5 upon 16. This is our answer. 5 upon 16 is the answer. So 5 upon 16 we are getting. Okay. Next question is it shows no head. मतलब यहाँ पे x इज इक्वल टू आपको नो मतलब ज़ीरो लिखना है. सो इन दिस फार्मूला, मतलब ये आपका फार्मूला है, फ्रॉम दिस फार्मूला वी कैन गेट दैट. यहाँ पे आपको x इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो रखना है. सो सेकेंड सब क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? गेटिंग नो हेड्स. सेकेंड सब क्वेश्चन इज गेटिंग नो हेड. सो नो हेड मीन्स p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू what? 0. तो यहाँ पे 5cx मतलब 5c 0 होगा डिवाइडेड बाय 32. नाउ 5c0 इज इक्वल टू what? 1 upon 32 we are getting. 1 upon 32 we are getting. So therefore getting no head, that probability is equal to 1 upon 32, and getting exactly 3 heads, that probability is equal to what? 5 upon 16. So yes, we will do the next question. Here the question is what? Find probability of guessing correctly at least 9 out of 10 answers true false. So true false objective test means what? Here probability will be 50%, that is 1 upon 2, and for false it is 1 upon 2. Q will be equal to 1 upon probability. So n, that is total number of multiple choice questions कितने हैं? So total number of multiple choice questions है 10. Total number of multiple choice questions है 10. So therefore n is what? Number of trials, that will be equal to what? 10. Now what to find here? Here we have to find guessing correctly at least 9 out of 10, at least 9 out of 10. So here we will take, let capital X is number of, capital X is what? Number of, number of questions, that is find the probability of guessing correctly. So number of correct questions, number of correct questions. So X. So therefore we can write here x is equal to, x follows binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to 10, and p, probability p is equal to what? 1 by 2. So how we construct formula here? P of x is equal to ncx, that is 10cx. P is 1 by 2 raised to power x, and Q is 1 by 2 raised to power n. N is what? 10. So it is 10 minus x. So again same है P और Q, तो आप ये सीधा लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस वी विल यूज हियर, और इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 10cx, and it will be 2 raised to power 10. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. 10cx upon 1024, that is our P of x is equal to x. So you can get this formula. Here is the formula. ये formula में आप x का वैल्यू रख सकते हैं. Now what to find here? Our required answer is what? At least, okay, at least 9 out of 10. मतलब what we required here, at least 9 out of 10 means probability of at least 9, मतलब greater than or equal to 9, that is at least 9. So this we can find as at least 9 out of 10. So we can find this as 1 minus P of x, sorry, this is what? At least 9 means what? We can find here either 9 or 10. That means we will write here P of x is equal to 9 plus P of x is equal to what? 10, 9 or 10, at least 9. So here we substitute, यहाँ पे substitute करो 10c 9 अपॉन 1024, इस फार्मूला में हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, प्लस 10c 10 अपॉन 1024, 1024 तो कॉमन आएगा, 10c 9 मतलब 10c 1, 10c 9 is 10c 1 और 10c 10 is what? 1. NCN is equal to 1. NCN, that is equal to what? 1. So yes students, NCN is equal to what? 1. So we are using this here, and it will be upon what? 1024. So in all, 10c1 is 10 plus 1 upon 1024. So therefore probability of getting at least 9 out of 10 will be equal to P of x is greater than or equal to 9, and that is equal to 11 upon 1024. 11 upon 1024. So this is our answer. And next we will do question number, we will do now question number 4. A fair coin tossed 8 times. Find probability, it is tossed 8 times. Find probability that it shows exactly 5 head, it shows head exactly 5 times and at least once. So let us attempt this question. A fair coin is tossed 8 times. So here getting head, so therefore capital X is equal to number of heads, getting number of heads. And here how many times it is tossed? So n is equal to number of trials, it is 8 times it is tossed. Now probability of getting head is what? 1 by 2. Probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2, means failure probability is 1 by 2. So we can construct formula P of x is equal to x, NCX मतलब 8CX, P is 1 by 2 raised to power x, and Q is also 1 by 2 and raised to power what? n minus x मतलब 8 minus x. तो as ये दोनों सेम है, therefore now this P of x is equal to 8CX 1 by 2 raised to power 8. Now what to find here? इसमें find probability that fair coin is tossed 8 times. So here x follows binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to what? 8 times it is tossed, and probability P is equal to getting what? 8. Probability of getting 8 is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore Q is equal to what? 1 by 2. So we are getting this formula with P of x is equal to 8CX 1 by 2 raised to power x, 1 by 2 raised to power 8 minus x. Now 1 by 2 same है, so therefore law of indices we use here. So now here P is equal to probability P of x is equal to 8CX upon 2 raised to power 8. So it is 256. Then exactly 5 times मतलब x is equal to what? 5. So exactly 5 times means x is equal to what? 5. X is equal to 5. So first option, first sub question. So here 8C 5 we will write 256 8c5 is 8c3 upon 256. So it is 8c3 is equal to what? 8, 7 and 6 divided by 3 to 1 and whole divided by 1 upon 256. So what we can cancel here? इसमें हम कैंसिल क्या कर सकते हैं? ये 6 कैंसिल होगा, so this 8 is getting cancelled over here and it will be 7 upon 32. Then so probability of getting exactly 5 heads will be equal to what? 7 upon 32. And the next is at least once. So what at least once means? What will get head once only. Second sub question is probability of getting at least once. So at least once means one or greater than 1. So this you can find here 1 minus probability of x less than 1, strictly less than 1, मतलब 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. So this probability will be equal to what? 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 we put in this formula. Here in this formula 8c0. So yes students, 8c0 upon 256, which is 1 minus 8c0 is 1 upon 256. So that will be 255. So this probability of getting at least one head is equal to 255 upon 256. Yes, done. 255 upon 256. Then the next question is, here is the question number 5. What is this question number 5? The probability that person who undergoes kidney operation will be recover is 0.5. Is what? 0.5. मतलब probability is what? 0.5. Probability is 0.5 and probability of failure will also equal to 0.5. मतलब इसको आप 1/2 लिख सकते हैं for our convenience. Now 6 patients undergo similar operation, मतलब number of trials n is equal to what? 6. So first we construct the formula. Probability p of x is equal to p of x is equal to ncx p raised to power x into q raised to power n minus x. So this we can write as it will be p of x is equal to x n is equal to what? 6cx. P probability is what? 1 upon 2 raised to power x 1 upon 2 raised to power n minus x. So n is equal to what? 6. So 6 minus x, and this it is 1/2 same. Therefore what we can write? Probability p of x is equal to 6cx divided by 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6, that means 6cx upon 2 raised to power 6, 64. Then what is required here? None will recover and half of them will recover. So first sub question is what? First sub question is none of them will recover, means x is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to 0 will be equal to what? 6C0 upon 64. Now 6C0 is 1, so 1 upon 64 it is. It will be 1 upon 64. Therefore, probability that none of will recover is 1 upon 64, and second, half of them will recover. Yes, half of them will recover means what? Here there are 6 persons, so half of them means what? 3. X is equal to what? Half of them will recover, means x is equal to 3. So probability P of x is equal to 3 is equal to, here भी सब्स्टिट्यूट, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा आपको 6C3 डिवाइडेड बाय 64. So let's calculate 6C3. 6C3 we calculate here, so it will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So into 1 upon 64. So clearly this 6, see here, this 6 will get cancelled. Here 5 into 4, again this 4 will get cancelled. Here it will be 5 upon 16. Okay, 5 upon 16 will be the answer. So here 5 upon 16 will be the answer, and first is 1 upon 64. So yes students, in this video we did this last question, that is question which is of 3 marks. So fourth question. Thank you for watching this video.